Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 5 of natural numbers and whole numbers, and in the last video we were discussing about the question number 3, the subdivision F, isn't it? So it was a 999 into 399. In this, 999 is nearer to 1000. So that is why this has to be split. So that is why first rearrange 399 into 999, and then next step is 399 into 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. Now the distributive property, 399 into 1000 minus 399 into 1. So here it will be 399 and 3 zeros and minus 399 into 1 is 399. Now subtract. 0 minus 9 means 10 minus 9 is 1. Here it is 9 remaining. 9 minus 9, 0. Here it is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now here it will be 8. Isn't it? Put it 8, then 9 and 3 as it is. So the answer is 3,98,601. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number 4 of that worksheet 5. Find the value by using the distributive property. Now in this first question, 1562 into 62 plus 1562 into 38. First we'll put the brackets so that you will be clear with the sum. So 1562 into 62 within the round bracket, again plus 1562 into 338. Now in these two, what is common? 1562 is common, isn't it? So write 1562 first, then put multiplication sign, and in this, which is not common, 62. What is remaining? That is 62. Put this plus, and here 1562 we have taken it out. So what is remaining? 38. Now 1562 into, add these two, 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So the answer is 1562 and 2 zeros. That is 1,56,200. समझ में आया सबको? So पहले आप लोग ब्रैकेट डालो. 1562 into 62 in one group and 1562 into 38 in another group. Next step, underline the common ones. So 1562 is common in both. So write 1562, then put the multiplication sign. फिर ये ग्रुप में क्या बचा है? 62. फिर इधर प्लस, इधर क्या बचा है? 1562 बाहर लेंगे तो 38 बचा है. अभी 1562 इंटू ये दोनों को ऐड करो, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. फर्स्ट, what we have to do? 638 into 176 minus 638 into 75 minus 638. In the first sum we have seen like this only in the fill in the blanks, isn't it? whenever into something is not given, that means it is into 1. So first write that by putting the bracket. 638 into 176 minus 638 into 75 minus 638 into 1. Okay. Now what is common? 638. Write 638 into, within the bracket, 176. A group में से 176 माइनस A group में से 75 माइनस A group में से 1. Now 638 into 176 minus 175. It will be 101 minus 1. That is 100. So here the answer is 63800. That is 63,800. Understood? Next, coming to the question number C. It is 85 into 15. This is one group, plus 15 into 15. Now underline the common ones. Here 15 is there. Here also 15. Underline. Now what is common? 15 into, what is left behind in this? 85. Sign is plus. In this 15 is left, isn't it? एक 15 को बाहर लेंगे तो दूसरा 15 है. तो 15 into 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10. So answer is 1500. That is 1500. Next, 688 into 10 into 437 minus 6880 into 337. So first put the bracket into के जो ग्रुप में है उनको एक ब्रैकेट में डालो. अभी इधर कॉमन कुछ भी नहीं है, बट नंबर्स देखोगे तो 688 into 10 is 6880. Yes or no? So first multiply these two. You got 6880 into 437 minus 6880 into 337. Okay. Now in this 6880 is common. Take it out. Put multiplication sign, then bracket. What is remaining? 437 minus 337. So here it will be 6880 into 100. 437 minus 337 is 100. So answer is 6880 as it is, and then 2 zeros. So answer is 6,88,000. Now coming to the question number E. Here again there is no common number. So first put the bracket. ये ब्रैकेट कैसे डालने का है? प्लस माइनस रहेगा तो उसको छोड़कर जो ग्रुप में मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला ग्रुप उसको एक साथ लिखने का है. अभी देखो इधर हम कैसे किए वैसे ही इधर भी देखो. 125 into 8 will be 1000. Already you know. Into 883 plus 25 into 40. 117 into 25 fours are 100 और एक 0. तो कॉमन मिला अभी. What is common? 1000. Now write that 1000 out. Then multiplication sign. 883 into 117. So it is 1000 into, sorry, this is plus. Better be careful. This is plus. 7 minus 3, 10. 1 minus 8, 9. 10. 1 minus 8, 9 plus 1, 10. So you got 1 and 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Count the number of zeros and then put the zeros. This answer is 10 lakh. Now coming to the question number F. Put the bracket. 750 into 17 is one group. 750 into 38 is another group. 27 into 750 another group. 18 into 750 another group. Now common is 750, underline. So write 750 into what's remaining? 17 plus here it is 38 plus here it is 27 plus here it is 18. Now 750 into add. It is 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 14. It will be how much? 30. Isn't it? 30. 3 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So you got 100. So answer is 750 and 2 zeros. So the answer is 75,000. Did you understand the question number 4? It is using the distributive property. Now coming to the worksheet 5, same worksheet, the question number 5 and 6, that is a word problem. So first it is given, so you have done the word problems earlier, but here we have to use the distributive property of multiplication. Rohan buys 12 computers and 12 printers. If the cost of one computer and one printer is 56,233 and 7,867 respectively, find the total cost incurred by Rohan. मतलब क्या है? एक कंप्यूटर का 56,233 और एक प्रिंटर का 7,867, लेकिन उसने 12 कंप्यूटर्स एंड 12 प्रिंटर्स लिया है, तो हमें 12 कंप्यूटर और 12 प्रिंटर्स के टोटल कॉस्ट को इकट्ठे कितना है तो वो फाइंड आउट करने का है. सो यूजुअली वी विल फाइंड आउट. छोटे क्लास में कैसे करते थे? 1 का इतना, 12 का कितना, फिर दोनों को ऐड करने का है ना. ऑर्डिनरी एडिशन करते थे, लेकिन इधर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कंप्यूटर इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 56,233. Therefore, cost of 12 computers is equal to rupees 56,233 into 12. Don't multiply. Now, cost of one printer is equal to rupees 7,867. Therefore, cost of 12 printers is equal to rupees 7,867 into 12. Now they have asked total cost. Total cost incurred, that is this 12 computers, cost of 12 computer plus cost of 12 printers. That means what we will do? 5, 6, 233 into 12 plus 7867 into 12. Okay, now use the distributive property. What is common? 12 is common. Write it first. Put the bracket. What is remaining here? 56233 plus 7867. Now 12 into, add these two, 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 6, 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 10, 11. 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. Now multiply. 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48 plus 1, 49, 12 6 are 72 plus 4 is 76. So you got 7,69,200. Now write the answer. The total cost incurred by Rohan is rupees 7,69,200. Is it clear? Hope you understood this addition, isn't it? Just we have to use the distributive property. Now coming to the question number 6. In a school, the monthly fee of a child is rupees 497, and if there are 2,983 students in a school, find the total fee collected in the month. Matlab, monthly fee of one child is 497. So what is the total fee collected for 2,983? That means it is ordinary multiplication. So first the statement will be monthly fee of a child. Of a child means one child is 497. Therefore, monthly fee of 2,983 students, rupee 497 into 2,983, isn't it? One child का 497, so 2,983 के कितने? So ordinary multiplication, but here what we are going to do, 497 is near to 500, so you can split this. So first rewrite it, 2,983 into 497. Now 2,983 write as it is, multiplied by 497 can be written as 500 minus 3. That means 2,983 into the first number, that is 500. Then here the sign is minus. 2,983 into the second number, that is 3. Now 2 zeros, 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 41, 5 9s are 45 plus 4, 49, 5 2s are 10, 14, minus 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 28, 29, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Now subtract. 0 means 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now here it is 5. But here we have borrowed it, so it will be 4. 4 minus 9 means 14 minus 9 is 5. Now coming to the thousand side, it will be 0. That means 10 minus 8 is 2. Now here it will be 8 remaining, then 4 as it is, then 1. So it will be 14,82,551. So answer, total fee collected in a month is rupees, put the unit rupees, 14,82,551. Is it clear? So we have completed worksheet 5, the multiplication sums. Hope everyone understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.